Welcome back everyone to another Finance for Beginners tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the LiquidBudget application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the LiquidBudget app on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, you will see the login section. Here, tap on sign up to create your new account. And once you see the sign up menu, you can enter your preferred email address. After typing in your email address, enter the password that you wish to set for your account within the password box. Now tap on the Let's Go button, and now you will be welcomed to the platform. Tap on Create Your First Budget. In order to create your budget right away, enter your budget name, choose your locale, and your currency. You can also add optional notes if you wish. Once you tap on the Create Budget option, this will then load your budget right away. Now you can start making your budget plan through the application immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the LiquidBudget app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.